I wish I knew. Well, it just hit the trend line and went down $1. So there you go. Now we know. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my Benzinga people. Buy low, sell high. Yes, 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 yes. Well, we love Benzinga. Benzinga. Let's see if space can spike down to that 47.50 for a far from moving average trade right out of the gate. Kate, good morning. Good morning. A few things on our radar. We are watching space early. Carve. Wackadoodle one from all last week. So I was on vacation last week, but I came in Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and we had such a good week trading. For the hour I was here every day. Yeah, all right. Let's see what Carve does. On the radar. Apple 147.50 call. Apple all-time highs. Yes, yes, yes. SGOC is on our radar. We got some bids out early if it does a little pullback out of the gate. Boy, it's all memes all the time. That's it. Gave up on AMC and GameStop for the moment, and now they're picking all their targets and these other things. Carve, rippy dippy. Can't short Carve, so it's going to do what it's got to do. Again, Apple, not for a day trade. You guys know I love Apple for 30 years. All right, guys, are you awake at Benzinga? Give me some Y's if we're awake over there. Let's go. Some ones, some zeros, some something. Anybody seen the bridge? Good morning, Gavin. I see a lot of Benzinga people are in the room visiting for the week. Does anyone know why space just dropped? Yes, because more people came in to sell it than buy it. That is why space just dropped. So let's see if we can get a real smackdown to that 47.50 level. SGOC is off to the races. And we can't short SGOC, guys, so no good. Can only buy it on a pullback. Let's see if we get one. Carve, spike up, spike down. I don't see anything. I don't know how early we want to run into SGOC, but 1660 is a little bit now. Let's do that. Very small. See if this thing's going to stay in the trender all day. But I don't think we're going to get a shot. This thing's off to the races. Wow. Oh, well, there was our short right here, 1950. Let's see if it comes in off that pivot point. Doesn't get halted. It's halted. SGOC halted. We'll leave our bids out. See if we get a pullback. AMC, spike up, spike down. Apple, you're bidding. Where you bidding? Where you bidding? Did you get 145.80 in Apple? 145. I like that. It's not going to happen. But I like it. Roku short 447. Let's look. Wow. Yes, Roku short 447. That is a PP, pivot point. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. That would be a good short in Roku if we go in that direction, guys. Carve trying to go higher. Trying? Trying? Jeez Louise. Morning, Richard. Crazy. Oh, these things are just wackadoodle, guys. We got to give them time to set up. AMC. I like 30 calls in AMC, 30 puts in AMC for this week. I'm going to go take a look. Oh, we're not doing anything. 35s maybe. Puts, I mean. Space. I'm looking. All right, we're going to get a far from moving average trade in space now, so don't panic. Going to add 10 shares at 47, guys, and then we'll look far from moving average. Don't panic out of space. Hang out. Gets back to 47.90. We'll just get out. Yeah, don't panic, guys. We're going to get a bounce from here. I just don't know where from what. From where. Just relax. Let's go far from moving average now. Don't do anything. We get a green bar. We're going to add a little bit if it doesn't go up too high. I'd like to see it go down a little more first. Don't do anything yet. Yeah, just relax, guys. We got 20 shares. I'm waiting for a green bar. Don't do anything yet. This is buy the rumor, sell the news. Not doing anything yet. Just bought a little. So we're going to have a 46, 45.80 stop. I can't even, it's not even keeping up with the thing. Guys, my market makers aren't working. I'm frozen. Anyone know where this is trading? I'm frozen. I know I'm frozen, guys. I am frozen. I got nothing. Why is I'm not working here. Oh, it got halted. Are you kidding me? No. What was the news, guys? 500 million share offering. Oh, my God. All right. It got up to 46.50 where we could have got out of it. I don't know if anybody did. No, we're going to have to deal with it. I know. I see it. I see it, guys. I see it. I see it. That's not good news. It depends on where they do in the secondary. It did spike up to 46.50. We could have got out of that, man. All right. It got up to 46.61. That would have made us even and making money. Yeah, this isn't good. The stock. Well, listen, this is the inherent risk of trading. We'll have an indication eventually, but look, there's nothing we can do about it. This is what happens. Unfortunate, but it happens. So let's see what else is trading. We can't get out, guys. I wish we could get out. I wanted to sell it above 46.50, but we can't. I went to buy another 100 shares, and I bought 130. Well, we're going to have to wiggle around it. Can you guys hear an echo in the room? I don't hear it, an echo, guys. No. It's got to be on your end. Carve pullback. Oh, wow. We like Carve at 29.80, guys, down from 33. This could open down 10 points, guys. I don't know what it's going to do. Carve getting a smackdown. We got 26.50 in Carve, guys. Let's put that out small. That's a level. 26.50 Carve. Got a level down there. Coin, you're long above 250. All right. Sal, you bought some coin here at 250. Did it get there? To the penny. All right, good. Now, it all depends on where Space is doing this secondary. My guess is it's not going to be anywhere near $46. It's probably to be around 40. I know, Sal. Anyone get coin at 250? Coin's almost getting far from moving average, guys. 246.80 coin, I like. It's back to 250. Just get out of a little. I'm putting out 246.80 small. This is just the inherent risk of trading, unfortunately, guys. If we get out of 46.60, 50 cents would have been making money, but it didn't. Mara puts. TPST, wow, almost got down to that 36.50. Jeez Louise. Wow. Yeah, but usually, Mike, whenever they file for a shelf, it's not good news. Unfortunately. Carve will good at 26.50 if we get there. Just needed it to trade for another 5 seconds and we could have got out of it. Yeah, I was just explaining, Pete, the inherent risk of being in a stock when it's halted. It happens. It happens. 2 for 2 Donkey Kong sold for 20 cents. All right, good. STFC. STFC is a takeover, guys. Don't touch that. Why would they do that on a successful flight, David, and not wait? I guess they figure this is the best time to do it. Why not? A lot of people have interest in it. It's open. All right. Oh, man, I think it spiked up to our get out break even, too. We missed it. It got to 44.70. I can't even see what this thing is doing. Really can't. I'm throwing a little up here. I got out with $50 profit from 100 shares. Yeah, that's what I thought. I went right back up to our level. Did you guys get out? It went up to our level. Wow. All right. I'm going to start getting out here. Try to buy it back cheaper. Selling a little right here. Oh, I tried to. 45.46. Missed it. I missed it. Watermelon sugar high. I just was getting out at 45.30. You son of a beeswax. Yeah, I tried to get out. I couldn't. I missed it. SOGC halted again. All right. Yeah, 46.13 is what it traded up to, guys. It traded up to 46. That was the spot to get out. And then I had it 45.50 and I missed that. Well, now I'm going to try and trade around it a little bit. I know. If you had it out there when it opened, you were good. Need a green bar here. If there ain't no green bar here, it's going lower. It's better short if it breaks 44.50 again. It needs above 45 to go a little bit. Selling a little more here. Now it needs above 45.50, but I don't think we're getting that. It's just time to move on. Breaks down from here, it's going lower. There we go. I thought I was out of the whole thing. Again, Don, there's nothing anybody can do about this. This is just the luck of the draw, but it did get you out break even. We're damn close to it. I have a 44.50 stop. Oh, you were in a 47.50. Well, that's a different story. I am out. All right, guys, there's nothing we can do about that. We'll see what the next move is. If it gets back above 45.50, it's probably okay, but I don't know. I think it goes lower from here. All right, let's get back to work. SOGC. SGOC. Cancel this stuff. Unfortunate. Oh, my God. SGOC halted, guys? Yeah, let me look. Why, you guys in this one? Long, I hope, not short. We can't short it. There's no shorts available in SGOC, guys. Oh, yeah, there is. No, there's not. There's not. No shorts. No, do not revenge trade space, guys. The thing stopped halted on us. There's nothing you can do about it. Jeez Louise. No. TPST. If it sets up for another trade, I'll do it. But look, we got the far from moving average trade at the right time. They just halted the freaking trading. TPST 33.11 was good, man. But I'm not running back in to do a trade unless it sets up for trade. TPST, that spot was down there. What's coin doing, guys? Did you guys get out of coin break even when it spiked back up there? Coin looks like a short, guys. Yeah, Nick, there's nothing you can do about it. Move on. Everybody. It's a good example of being at the mercy of the market. That's what happens. Exactly. It didn't even go against us. It was news. Yes, everything's kind of quiet right now. Plug looks like a better sell. No stop in coin, Solly? Yeah, I mean, let space pop. I'm not doing anything in space now. If we get a far from moving average trade or a trend trade set up, then I like space. Otherwise, forget about it. I got to tell you, that's great timing. They go into space and then they file a shelf. Really? Yeah, Alex, but again, guys, that's just bad timing. What are you doing in Roblex? It's not really a short here. It's only up $1. I'm not crazy about the short in Roblex. It looks like a better buy. I'm saying when you get hurt, you don't run back unless it sets up for a trade. Okay? This is a horrible downtrend now, right? So it's a short, if anything. It's not rallying any bit at all. And the next real spot we got is 39.50. That's where I would get back in. I mean, there's nothing here on the daily. Yeah, 40.40 is weekly. That's a spot. Let's put a marker at 40.40. That is a sneaky, dirty move, but whatever. 40.40 is a spot we start looking for off a moving average again. Otherwise, we forget about it. Or if it's set up for a trend trade, just short the crap out of it. I'm with you, Johnny. It's a better short space. And that's why you don't get stubborn and turn it into a $5,000 loss, right? I made $2,600 trading last week, so I had a bad trade. Not even a bad trade. It's bad luck. All right, Roblex. You're long at 85. Should I get out? I don't know about get out, but you got to take some profits. 100%. Sell half and see what the next move is in Roblex, guys. If you're long at 85. Plantier. Wow. You going to swing this one? It's getting close, Plantier. No, it's not. 21.70 Plantier. That's a spot to start swinging it, guys. 21.70. Not until then. Yeah, exactly, Webb. Do not chase to get back in. Do not. And the bottom line is, if we had our order at 46 off the reopening, we would have got out of it and lost basically nothing. We were long at 46.60. Would have lost $100. JKS. Yeah, JKS could be a nice little trend, 58.50. Kind of like that. Yes. Yeah, chasing never works, guys. That's the worst thing you could ever possibly do. Tesla, I like the 15, 667.70. I like that, yes. What's the market doing, guys? Just continues to go up. Stop. I want to look at some AMC puts before we get out of here today with Benzinga. Fubo. Fubo's a better sell, guys. It is set up for a short. It is not a buy. Yeah, it bounced off the pivot point once, gave you a 40-cent trade. That's good. So if we didn't get out of the space above 45, think about where we'd be right now. TPST. Do we want to try it? It's down from $41, TPST. All right, let's try it small at 30.60 TPST. I'll do 50 shares and risk $1. 30.60. That is the 65 EMA, and it'll be down 10 points. Give it a crack. Oh, you're good. Good thing you're late, Zena. All right. What do we want to buy? SGOC. Oh, it's probably halted, right? I would bet. Yep. SGOC halted on the way down. Where do we want to have bids? We got 1870 and 1735. Let's put a little out at 1735, and if it holds it, we can size up. What do we like? It could be done. I'm putting 10 shares out at 1780. Indicated at 1730 right now, but I'm putting 10 shares at 1780. That is the trend. And if it holds, we can grab a few hundred. If it breaks 17, we'll add it 1470. 20 shares. How about them apples? QQQ's weaker. Yeah, Q's are really weak, right? TPST. All right, let's see what happens. Don't tell me TPST is going to halt now. I'll kill myself. I see it. I see it. I see it. Everything's dropping. Oh, real sugar high. So a little TPST at 31, guys. Get that. You believe this? I just bought more stock instead of selling it at 31. Oh, Lord, help me today. I had it out to sell at 31 and I bought more. Oh, this stinks. See if I can do it right. Check out space. I don't want to check out space. Yeah, it's ugly. I don't think we're going to 40, though. Cancel that. Yeah, space is a better short. JP Morgan far from moving average trade. What up, Pete? No, we are not revenge trading. I'm just hitting the wrong button all day today. Yes, I like space if we get anywhere near 40. Yes. Regeneron. Let's look. Neo or Disney? Let's take a look. Both of them. JP Morgan. What stock, Lou? It doesn't look good again until it gets above 31. Probably should have a 30 stop now. Space. Space is a better short, guys. Bottom line. Rolex pulled back. Let's take a look. Wow, 87.50 was a little spot in Roblex. Which one, Ken? Yeah, 87.50 was a spot. We are buying shares of stock, not contracts. Do not ever revenge trade. Marin going down. The whole market coming in here, guys. Spiders are strong. All right. Goldman Sachs strong. Spiders strong. Yeah, the market's ripping. Almost at all-time highs again. Q's are weaker. Little profits in the tech stocks. Solar on the move. All right, sold a little of that TPST at 31. Trying to get out of 32 on the balance. Make $1 on it. Would have been a nice little day if we didn't have that freaking space. Try to have. Wow. TPST, guys. Nice trade. Just had to stay with it a little bit. Holy mackerel. Yep. 32.80 TPST. Went up $2 from our spot. All right. Got $100 back. Let's see what's next. SGOC. Halted again on the way down. Yep. All right. What do we try, guys? I guess we never got it at freaking 1780. That would have been nice. No, Dana, because we had it very, very small. My carve order got hit. What price? What price you get in carve? This is my favorite show on the channel. Oh, well, that didn't work. Yeah, we canceled that. Guys, I hope you didn't stay with it. Keep your eyes on the order box, guys. Please. I mean, if you stayed with it, just get out now and take the profits. SGOC's open, guys. No, it's open. Got the 1880. I don't know what we want to do in this thing. Maybe 1750, but again, the bloom can be off the rose in this thing, and then it gets halted again, right? Let's put out one share at 1750. If it holds it, we'll add to it. That is the trend. 1760. One share. And if it holds it, we'll add to it. Watching Boeing at 240. To do what? Buy, sell, hold. Space might hit that 40, guys. This is just nothing but a short space. 39.50, I think, in space would be a beautiful far from moving average trade. I think we'll get a dollar bounce off that. I am using Thinkorswim for my charting and Interactive Brokers for the trading, RZ. Well, we got 39.50 in space. That is the pivot point. And weekly is 40.11. So two spots, 40.11 and 39.50. Let's put markers. Gotta tell you, boy, they really screwed some people over in this. No? Announcing this the day after they go in space? I mean, really? That's not nice. That's really not. 40.11 and 39.50. 40.11. 39.50. And then we go far from moving average. All right, do it before the market opens at least and give people a chance to react and decide where they want it to go, right? I mean, come on. They had to wait till 15 minutes into the market? It's not right. Palantir, I kind of like maybe below 21 to start a swing trade. 2170 is a big spot on the daily. And then you got 1960 as weekly. So I like those spots. Below 20, I'm a swing trader in Palantir, guys and girls. Below 20, I'm a swing trade. Coin far from moving average. Yeah, I mean, coin's just not a buy, guys. I mean, it hit the pivot point here at 246.80 and gave you a little trade, but it's not a buy. SGOC, you grabbed a little here. It got to 18.11. So a 17.60 would have been really nice. All right, see if you get the bouncy bounce from here. See what happens. Yeah, I know, but it's just, I don't know. I guess the company can do whatever the hell they want. I was going to say unethical, but I guess it's not. They can do what they want. But it would have been better for the stock exchange to have announced it before it opened. Yeah, Nick, this is just a meme. That's all SGOC is now. It's a meme stock. That's it. Yeah, TPST, you know, was a good grab down there. It went up $4. It was a good short at 34.50, and now it's dead, sitting in the middle of everything. Yeah, I like it down there, Buffalo. I like it. I like it. Look, guys and gals, you're seeing real-time trading here, right? This is trading. This is what happens when you're trading a bunch of different stocks. We had one good trade and one bad trade we got caught in. Every trade I likes to dance around my blood pressure. I like that, Lou. I like it. Good morning, Lorenzo. Welcome to the room. Guys, I'm going to give everybody a chance to come visit us and stay in the room with us for the rest of the week if I get enough likes from you guys for free. This is the last week I'm having visitors. So if I get enough likes, I'm going to invite you guys to come hang out with us in our live trading room for the rest of the week for absolutely nothing. But if there isn't enough likes, I can't go. Alex, you may be right. Alex. I think I did say $1, and it went down more than $1. So I'll take responsibility. Boeing 240 level watching. To do what? Dave, my broker closed me out last week when I blew up my account in Neo. Didn't you blow up your account in CRAV also? Is there a dead trading room? What do you mean dead? I don't understand. Oh, guys, listen, it wasn't even like we were wrong. Again, guys, you can't time the market when something's going to be stopped. Tesla, secure Solar City purchase was not a bailout. Yeah, bullshit. Pardon my language. They can say whatever they want. TSPT, you got 3070 out at 34. There you go. Nice job, Hurt. Boom. There you go. Nice job. 2.5 points. I just made all the points back from space and CPST. There you go. Boom. I would never have said to buy Neo long-term at 47.50. KK, you're not even close. There's no way on God's green earth I would have ever said to buy Neo at 47.50 for a swing trade. No way, no how. 43.25 was a spot to buy Neo for a swing trade. Boom, chaka laka laka. There's no way on God's green earth that I would have said buy it at $47. Not for a swing trade. Not really, Gene. Gene, if you come to the room, I'll talk about all that stuff. If you have 40 grand in your account, you can make a nice living. What's going on? It just spiked up $1.80. Lou bought the stock, guys, at $19. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. I mean, he bought the 9 EMA at 19. It's up $1.25 from there already. Roblex? Yeah, stay away from Roblex. Are you in Roblex, Sally? 85 and then 83.60. 2 spots in Roblex. I bought AMC at 43.50. Where do I get out? And this is what I tell all my traders. When you have a profit, Sydney, when you have a profit in any stock, sell half of it and then see what happens with the rest. Okay? SGOC got back $60. Nice, Chris. 1875 SCOG. Yeah, sell half, Sydney. Sell half, bring your stop up to break even and see if you can get a little more out of it. Generally speaking, guys, when we get into trade and you make 50 cents or $1, you have to take profits. Okay? Because you can't watch it go all the way back down to where you bought it without taking profits on it. It's just not prudent. Got to learn how to trade. This is what we do here. We're traders. I mean, if you make $1 on a trade, you know, and you get to the point where you're buying 1,000 shares, you just made $1,000. That's only $300,000 a year if you do that on average. And with 40 grand in an account and 200,000 in buying power, you can do that. I'm in now. When do I get out? Yeah, you got to have a plan for both when you get in and when you get out. Right. Someone in my room just told me that. You got to have a plan when you get into a trade, and you got to have a plan when you get out of a trade. I can't buy space here. I see it's having a nice little bounce. I mean, do we have a level at 41.70 is the question. And I don't see where we did. Our level was 40.20. You know, it wasn't even a far from moving average trade. And the trend is 44.25 to short. Yeah, I'm looking. If you're not in SoFi long-term, Adam, I like it below $16 and add every dollar. Nice job, theater guy. Excellent. I like SoFi long term. You know, my inclination is to short space now at 44.20, and I'm going to do that if it gets there. That is the trend line. 44.20, short. Ain't getting 40.11. We ain't getting SGOC. $15, you like SGOC? Look, guys, 15.10, yeah, but it might hold down there. Whoa, this just spiked down to our level at 18 and went up $1. Yep. See that, Peter? We had 17.70 out. It just got to 17.64 and went up $1.50. Holy crap. Did anyone leave that out at 17.70? That's insane. It just went up $2 off the 9 EMA, off the 15 EMA. Richard, you got it there? Just turned your red day into a green day. Oh, I love it. I love it. Yes. Just went up $2.20 off there. Think or Swim took the short away in space? You got to be kidding me. That's what they do. They don't want anyone to short it. Oh, I can't believe we missed SGOC. It just went up $3, guys, from 17.70. Holy crap. That's crazy. Oh, you would have had to be right on top of it. I mean, we had the order out. Jeez Louise. Scoop. That was a scoop and a half. 100 shares. It just went up $4. AMC popping? Yeah, a little bit. Wow. Everyone would have been nicely green for the day if we just got 100 shares down there. Crazy. Yes. Cindy, you got it at 18 and sold it at 21. Boom. So let me ask you a question. If you weren't listening to us and in this room, would you have done that? Or did you do it based on the technical analysis that was showing you that we're using here? Crazy. Disney a buy. No, Disney's sitting in the middle of everything. I don't see anything to do in Disney. I'm short term anyway. I have made over $1 million on AMC by not selling. I have 90 call options for this week, about half that for the week after. Is taking half of your profits and hurting the movement best advice? No, Miami, because whatever you sell is not going to affect what the stock does. You know what I mean? It trades 100 million shares a day. So that's not going to affect what this stock does. It will not hurt the momentum. And I'll tell you this right now. If you want, I'll buy all those 90 calls from you if you want and sell you some more for this week, if you want. I mean, if you're long this stock, you should be selling upside calls, not buying. Locks in your profit, but 90 calls at 21 cents. What you have to do is go out a while if you want to be smart. It's too complicated to explain right now. If you made $1 million, you don't need me telling you what to do. How about that? That's the bottom line. Right? Anyone who made $1 million doesn't need me. I can tell you that right now. Cancel space. Although I have guys that make $1 million trading in my room. And one woman, believe it or not. Seed? Seed is a little one, right? Wow. Not so little anymore. Can we short seed? I need you, but still working the money to get in. I hear you, Johnny. Seed is halted. All right. Next one, seed. We're starting to lose volume now, guys and gals, as is apt to happen in summertime, right? I like SoFi, but only for a long-term trade. I don't like it for a day trade. I like it long-term. I have it pre-IPO, so I have a nice cushion in it, but I like it long-term, not short-term. But I own the stock much cheaper from the pre-IPO. So I am hanging it. Let's put it that way. What is halted meaning? Someone is buying or selling more shares. Either one. If it's going down and the stock is down more than 10%, it could be halted because more people are selling. And if it's going up, it could be halted up 10% because more people are buying. Yeah, again, Brian, SoFi is a long-term hold. Look, we came on at the beginning of last week when AMC was trading at $52 and said the stock was going to 40. I think I did it on Monday, on Tuesday or Wednesday in Benzinga when it was 50. And the stock broke 40 and got to $38. So we made that call at the beginning of last week. Now it's kind of in the middle of nowhere's land. Will Caterpillar be a good buy? Dividend coming up and infrastructure play. Yeah, I mean, these things had gigantic moves when the infrastructure was announced. Then they came back to reality. And now they're kind of just sitting and not doing anything. Everything I do is by technicals, RZ, even if I'm looking to get into a longer-term trade. So to me, you know, I have 190 for a little level in Caterpillar on a weekly level. If it holds it daily, it's probably okay. But even when I do my long-term trades, I'm looking for technicals to get me in. That's all. Gene, I would say that what we do, and you can call it scalping if you want. We've made money the last 7 months in a row. We've made money the last 3 years in a row. We have a lot more winning trades than we do losing trades. So, you know, it depends on your style and what you're looking to do. Everyone in my room has long-term investments. This is just a different style of trading. I would say about 50% of the people in my room are making a living doing this, paying their bills and making a living. But it's not easy because you got to be very, very patient and disciplined all the time. And you take what they give you. I think AMC can go to 36 also. I don't know if it's going to happen this week, but that's the next level. So, Sydney, you're up $1,000 today. Is that a big day for you? Is that good? Bad? Indifferent? NVIDIA is another one. It's a great long-term stock. We called this little pullback. You know, if you look at this thing on a weekly chart, it got ridiculous. It was up 7 weeks in a row, and we called that little pullback. So, I don't know. It's a great long-term stock again, but I'm not buying it at 800. Space is going up again. Yeah, all right. I don't even like the short now. I like the short up at 45 now in space. TPST 3060, a trend trade now. Trade small, trade often. Yeah. I mean, again, we don't trade unless something sets up for us to trade, but we usually have a lot of trades during the day, especially lately. No, do not buy TPST. That ship is sailed. I can see this thing going back to 2250. So leave it alone for now. SGOC, all right. I mean, let's go small at 1870, right? SGOC, we got to try to trend. See if it holds. It gets down there. Again, do it small and add if it holds. You know what I'm saying? If it breaks 1870, there isn't much below. roll a little bit out with a 50-cent stop, and if it holds, we can add to it. No, I would go back to the TPST at 22.50. Absolutely. But it would hold. That's down $6, right? So, I love listening to you. It's not even an hour into trading, so 1,000 is a decent day. Yeah. I got to tell you, every day I came in on vacation last week, we were done in the first hour. Every single day. Yeah, you know, you could have bought a little in 1970. I'm just being a little conservative here and see what happens. Boeing trend trade, Enflix sell, Myrna. So in the private trading room, we trade all day, and this is what we do. I'm with my guys 140 hours a week. Then we have our course, which is available for everyone to buy, where we mentor you every single Thursday night, those who can't be in the room every day. I have my course that's 6 hours long, and everybody gets mentorship every Thursday night forever. So a couple of things that you guys can do we'll talk about before we get out of here. Myrna's just a buy, guys. Myrna is a buy. I'm not short Myrna. Netflix is taking a little break, right? Yeah, I mean, the stock's been great lately. It's taking a little break, resting a little bit. David, can you give me some possible options to help offset losses I've had? Losses in what, Brenda? Some longer-term stuff? I mean, the only thing I'm looking at, and it's a crapshoot, is AMC. Now, if we break down from here, we can see $36, but yeah, SGOC bounced. I see it. I'll take a look at AMC. Let's see. I mean, 36 puts for this week of 58 cents. But they expire in 4 days. That's a problem. I need to see some momentum on the downside in this thing. Kind of just hanging right here. If I was going to do anything, I would buy some 36 puts for 55, 57 cents. The course is good. The lecture on setting up charts alone is worth it. Yes, Hector. Yeah, it's a great course. The course is spectacular. It walks you through everything from beginning to advanced. And we get together Thursday nights to talk about it. Is Tesla a buy? Again, this is all over the place. I wouldn't run in it buy. The lesson on money management is the core, and that is the value if you pay attention to it. I agree. 100%. That's what this is all about. It's all about money management. Anyone who got stubborn in space, you know, that's turned into a really bad situation. Can't let that happen. You know, I lost $377 today. Like I said, I made $1,300 last week, and it happens. No, I like Goldman. Goldman looks good. We'll talk about it before I leave, James. I'm going to give everybody 5 free days in the room. Yeah, Tesla looks better longer term now. It had its little dipsy doodle. The course is a must watch, learn, and apply. I agree. Even if you end up staying in a room with us, you should have the course in addition. It just puts you so far ahead. I lost $250 in space, but made it up and then some on my other trades, and I'm green for the day. Beautiful, Richard. Beautiful. JKS continuing the uptrend. Yes. That one pulled back early, 10 o'clock, 59.20. It's giving you $2. Pete, very nice. Yes, beautiful trend trade. GNOG, casino stocks in general. This one doesn't trade enough for me to ever be involved in. I don't know. The stock has done nothing for 6 months, so I can't give you an opinion. Let me look at some of the bigger ones in a minute. Any thoughts if one is a bag holder in MMAT? I will be going in hard with you so I can pay for the course and make 1,000. All righty. MMAT bag holder. Oy. No, I got no advice. Except I will never let anybody in my room get caught in any of this stuff. You know, at this point, it's probably not worth selling, right? But no, I can't help you. I wish I could. Penn National, yeah, the whole move's been $1 the whole day. JP Morgan, you can try a little bit on the 9. It's going to be slow. Not going to be a great mover. Well, JKS is nice. Skills, Benzinga Squawk just said unusual put October SKLZ. That's another thing, guys. Anybody who's watching, and a lot of people in my room have Benzinga for their news service. I mean, you should not be trading without Benzinga. The scans they can set up are incredible. And the news service is second to none. Second to none. All right, well, we got 19, and then we got, let's just check the 15-minute, 1845. So that could be a couple of levels, 19 and 1845. But I don't think we're going to get to either. We'll put it out small. Yeah, the solars are good right now. And those are the kind of stocks you want to get in when they're trending. To stay in them all day. GameStop and AMC rallying a little bit. Yep, GameStop just spiked up $5. AMC spiked up $1. I gotta have it. Yeah, Boeing's a better buy, guys. Do not short Boeing. Do not short Boeing. Burner, Bo Burner. Burner's a better buy if we can get a freaking pullback. Yes. CCIV is rippy dippy. Just spiked up 50 cents. Maybe a base trade. That was it. That's all I could see. Burner trend trade. Yeah, 236.20 for sure. I like that. CCIV. They have a conference tomorrow. Okay. Options would be the way to go in CCIV. Options, options, options. Options, options, options. Maybe 30 calls or something in CCIV. It's another one that perfectly hit our support level down at 2370. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Okay. Again, the only way I would play it is options. CCIV. ALB. So, I mean, that is a gorgeous trend all day today. Albemarle. Hasn't even given you a chance to buy it, though. It's only day 2, I would say. Trying SO19, but it's a steep drop to the next. Well, that's why 1850 below that, Brian. 19 and 1850. Yeah, I don't like space now, guys. This could be, rounding up now, so I wouldn't short it. If we go sideways here a little bit and make a little base, short on the way down, buy on the way up, but let's have it go sideways for half hour or so. Kind of like that. See what happens. Oh, SGOC just went up. Yeah, Space had a nice $2 bounce, but it was just a matter of finding a spot, Sydney, and I didn't have one. We had that 40 and change, and it just didn't quite get there. Didn't quite get there. That would have been nice. Seed. Yeah, anyone trust Seed? Coming down from 1350 to 1090. 1050 is a little spot in Seed if you trust it. Just hit 1090 and hold. Yeah, so this is what we're looking for, guys. I bought Benzinga Pro yesterday. I love it. Yeah, it's the greatest, baby. It is the greatest. This is a trend trade. So 1090 and 1050 are the levels it should hold if it's going to stay in that uptrend. So far, it's holding that 1090 nicely. That's what a trend trade is. Coin, you're still in this at 250, Sally? I would get the hell out and take my money and run. Be happy I made 50 cents. But again, 247 was really the spot to buy coin. Technically, it hit our pivot point. Spectacular. Boom chakalaka laka. Do all moving averages wind up? So example, Sava. Let me look at Sava. But Sava's not really in a trend trade. Sava is a bloody mess. So it's not really in a trend trade. It's been up, it's been down, it's been sideways. Seeds hanging at these levels. And we got to see. You know, this is good that Space is doing this, guys. If we can get another 10 minutes or so, a green bar is a buy and a red bar is a short in Space. Doing a nice little base now. JKS. All right, you got 60.85 and 60.30 for the trender in JKS. So 60.25 JKS we will do on a trend. I like that. As a trend trade. $60.25. Got the lockup. Order goes in. So in the room, guys and gals, I am putting an order out every time we do a trade in my real brokerage account. I have $27,900 in my interactive brokerage trading account. So for better or for worse, you see every single trade that we do. Hector, listen, God bless you in Sava. There are certain stocks that I just can't trade. I never do well in. It's just me. There are just certain stocks that I've never traded well, and I stay away from it. Look, if you're long Sava, it's been great. Look at this thing. Stock's up from $35. It's been spectacular. Yes. You didn't even have to trade it. Just buy it. But as a trader, there are certain stocks that I just don't do well in. So I don't trade them. So when you hear me say I don't like Sava, it doesn't mean I don't like the company. It just means I just don't do well in this stock. That's all. Another one is, GameStop could be a better buy now on a pullback to the trender. Right? I don't know what that giant move up $5 was. Weird. Yeah, I can't trade NVIDIA. It's never been good to me, although I own it long term. And I can't trade UPS TIT. Anytime I trade any of those stocks, I lose money. I just can't get it right. Can't do it. What's our stop and profit in which one? Zena, we got to get in. JKS, 50-cent stop. We'll look to make between 50 cents and $1, as most of our trades. Yeah, GameStop, 193 and then 192.30. All right, let's try GameStop trend. I don't know why it went up $7, but we'll try buying it at 192.30. GameStop new price target from 10 to 25. Did someone actually really just put that out? From 10 to $25, they raised their target price. What kind of trend is JKS? An uptrend. Look at it. For 45 minutes, it's been an uptrend, and now it's pulling back. Let's see if we can get in on it. Missed it earlier in ALB. It's up $10. Yeah, that was a tough one to get, though, in ALB. SOGC bounced off the 9, or SGOC, whatever the hell that is. Yeah, it did. 1975. I mean, how do you trust it? You know, Rich, tough one. No, it's tiny. I'm just laughing. First of all, analysts are the worst in the world. They just are. Carve. Oh, yeah. The bloomers off the road and off the rows and Carve. Seed held that 11 area for a little 50-cent trade. Yes. So Space gave the breakdown, right, Brenda? So sideways, as soon as it broke like 43.80, it was telling us it was a short because it broke down out of that little base. Not a lot of volume, but looks like a better sell. Disney's beautiful. Dave, have you traded DK or KEX? Trying 30 days. I know it's way off subject. I'll take a look for you. Delic Holdings. Stock has really gotten beat up. It needs above 20, 21 to really reverse again in that one. I would never trade it. It doesn't trade a million shares a day. Not enough volume for me. We need to have stocks that trade at least a million shares a day. Same thing with KEX. I would never trade this. It's better than it was, right? But to reverse the trend, it needs above $63. You're taking IGOC. Where are you taking it? Taking it for a walk? What the hell is the stock? I lost it already. SGOC. Duh. So where are you going? You're going 2070 and 1935? Both? 2080 and 1935 is $1.50 in between. The one time we do it, you know it's going to spike right through. Right? Oh, adjust GameStop profit target to 25 from 10. All righty. Cancel in JKS. It's taking forever. GameStop bounce. Cancel that for now. We are slowing down to a dull roar, ladies and gentlemen. Jeez Louise. All right. Yep. Get the trend out of 21. It'll almost halt if it gets there now. On the downside. I mean, it held trend all day. It just held the 9 at $20. It's up $4. Really? Really? Yeah, we can't short it. Unfortunately. It is not shortable. Yes, I would do a double top, but it ain't going to happen. Too funny. Apple, nice profit taking today. Went down $2. International Game Technology. Deadwood for a day trade. FRSX. FRSX is a lottery ticket. You know you can only lose $3.75. All right, you want to have it out in SGOC at 2080, Lou? You doing it? 2080? Put 1,000 shares out. 2080. On Lou's recommendation, we're doing it. I'm doing the $20 in carve. $20 in carve? What do you like there? I got 18.20. You'll get a bounce off 20 in carve, yes. Absolutely. Yes. I like carve at $20, guys. It's not going to happen. And it might halt if it gets there. Was down 300 in space, only down 65 now because of SGLC. There you go. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Nice job, Darren. And don't try to get the rest back, whatever happens. It's a trend trade, and we're not going to get it, Zena. SoFi, Michael, is one of my best long-term holdings. We didn't start buying it till right here. I bought it at $16.32. Plus, I own some on the IPO at much cheaper prices. But I like it long-term. It's one of my core holdings. Long-term, Mike. If that means anything. But yeah, we bought it. The room bought it at $16.32. We're going to add to it cheaper. Depends on where you're in it from, Jane. You know. Again, I've been in Apple for 30 years, and I take profits from time to time. It got a little stretched out. Look, it is a little stretched out now. This is a weekly chart. And they have earnings coming up, right, at the end of the month. So if you're in it from much, much cheaper prices, it's good to take a little profits. 15 sneaks, I like that. I like it. Cancel SLGC, all right? Don't worry about it. It's not happening. JKS. Just missed a trend line, but 59.70 would be real good in JKS. It didn't get to our 60.32, but if you got a little, all right, Diana, see what happens. It just missed us, right, at 60.35. 59.70 is a spot in JKS also, guys. How often do you take swing trade just when you see something obvious? Yeah, I wouldn't say a lot, Tiny, but when we see something obvious, we jump on it, and we're 95% on our swing trades. We don't miss on our swing trades very often because we are being very patient. All right. How about a little JKS, guys, at 59.70, just in case we go in that direction? JKS, 59.70. That is the pivot point. Enough of a nice pullback if we get there. I like it. If you got some at 60.30, you almost got to add a tiny bit down there. JKS, we look to make between 25 cents and $1 with a 50-cent stop loss. All right, Zena? Yes, at times I sell some Apple, Crane. Absolutely. Yes, and then look to buy it back at cheaper prices. GameStop, 190.80. I mean, is the bloom off the rose in these things? I don't know what that pop-up was all about, Weird. But yeah, 190.80 would be a spot to try a little GameStop. Is AMC doing the same thing? Yeah, I think it was just a one and done also. Yeah, AMC's doing the same thing. Even in long-term positions, Crane, it's okay to take profits, right? Apple will pull back again from here. It could go to 160 first, but it's going to pull back. Oh, that was a TikToker? Whole market's coming in a little bit. Yeah, a little. CCIV, someone told me to have a conference or something tomorrow. The chart looks okay. You know, we just got back above the daily chart level in the chart in CCIV, so possible. TPST. Yeah, a little pop, but I don't like that one. Space doesn't know what it wants to do. Yes, we trade ETFs. We'll trade silver, gold, VIXY. The answer is yes. We trade ETFs quite often. You're welcome, Mike. Tilray, again, this is another one. They all got all excited about this when they were legalizing pot. Now it's dead money. I see dead people. Literally, daily, weekly, nothing. TPST looks a little better now. JKS trying. All right, come on, do it. Don't try, do it. Yeah, I like CCIV. It looks good. It looks good. See, even with this, guys, we want it fast. You know, if it doesn't get here fast, we could see 58.50. So I want it on this pop down right now in JKS. EVs are getting hammered. Okay. No, don't throw in a green bar, you piece of shit. Pardon my language. Now or never. Yeah, we could see 58.60 in JKS. All right, I'm canning, guys. Taking too long. We always want something to go fast and not come close like this thing just did and then bounce up. You know, you're going to see a green bar probably back above 60 now, and then it can just sit here and break down anyway and get below and hit our 58.60 level. So that's where we're going. Just in case. Could be a little aggressive at 58.60 if we go there. But you knew we were going to get the bounce, right? Problem is, we wanted the bounce from 59.70 because we'd be up 40 cents a little bit right now. I'd be selling a little bit. So 60-30, 60-40 is a spot to get out of some. If you got in for a little trade. I have BABA 310 calls. For how long? January. That's just that's a gamble, right? Pure gamble. I couldn't tell you. That's beyond my. I can't think that far out. Well, it never got to our level, Zena, in JKS, so that's why we canceled it. We missed it by like 5 cents. We missed it by 8 cents, and now it's going back up, so we canceled it. Now we're going to not have anything. Plug put option. Any suggestion? Plug put option. The chart looks like shit. If plug breaks 26.50 is a big level. So maybe 26 puts in plug if you like it. Yeah, this thing's never going to hit the trend line again, Rich. Just have it out at 21.70, just in case. Yeah, if you get a rally from here, you will. All right, guys, we only got a few minutes left, so let me show you guys a couple of things, if it's okay. I want to talk about our course for a minute. Course is Wall Street Global Trading Academy, ladies and gentlemen. This will be the only course you ever have to buy. Mike, if you're struggling in this, then this is for you. This will be the only course you'll have to buy about any kind of trading. And we start from the very basics through advanced trading techniques. We've made it very affordable for everybody. And I think the best part of it is anyone who purchases this course, every Thursday night, you get mentorship for as long as you own the course, which is forever. I want to show you what's inside. It really is. I'm so proud of this. We did such a great job with this. It's over 6 hours of content. 6 hours. And it starts right at the beginning. Language of the stock market. What kind of trading accounts, market terms, money management, which is the most important thing we will ever talk about in this room. I think this whole thing is about an hour and a half long on just money management. Chart basics, we get your charts all set up for you. Talk about the moving averages. Then we go into the 5 trades that we do every single day that we look for. Yes, swing trading, options, Bitcoin. This is the best part, guys. This is the best part. Every Thursday night at 5 o'clock, you click this link and we do live mentoring. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Every Thursday night. If you can't make the Thursday nights, they're all recorded. Boom. So that's our course. It's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. We've made it affordable for everybody. I think it's like $400 and something. Let me look. I don't even know. I don't remember. Yeah, $447. So we reduced it by 10%. Yeah, don't do the elites yet. We're not ready for that yet, JJ. I'll let everybody know when we're ready for the elites. The course itself is $447, and you can break it down into 3 payments. $149 a month. It is the greatest course that you'll ever buy. I did one on Investopedia 5 years ago that people are still buying. And this is spectacular. The global elites, we're going to have something set up where I give a couple of picks a week, and we're going to get together once a month to talk about more in-depth stuff. IJ, I'll let you know. So that's the course. It's $447. Anyone who buys it, I'll see you Thursday night. Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. It is just spectacular, guys. Wall Street Global Trading Academy. All right. One other thing, and everybody, you can start. Do you alert your recommendations with course? No, I do not do recommendations with just the course, Santi. No. But we're working on having something done with that. Oh, my God, SGOC. Kiss my ass. Unbelievable. Yeah, Jim, anyone who purchases a course every 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is the mentorship. Every 5 p.m. I know, just got halted again. Every 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Not really a breakout of a base. It's just been a beautiful trend all day. Jim, every Thursday night at 5 p.m. we do the mentorship. Excellent, Jackie. Good for you. Nice freaking job. Excellent. So every Thursday night, yes. But, Jim, you can go into the archives and you won't miss anything. Okay? It's all recorded. So everybody I encourage, the course is worth every penny. I'm always going back to it, and the Thursday recordings is a great benefit. Thank you. Yeah, the course is spectacular. It really is. Okay, last thing for everybody before they kick me out of here. I have purchased and studied several different credit and still find a little lost. Yeah, Jane, we're going to walk you through everything. All right? So that's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Next gift I'm giving to everybody. All right? For the rest of this week. And this is the last week, I think. I'm getting very close. Okay? This is the last week I'm going to have any visitors in my room. We're filled up. I have about 100 people in my room that pay every single month, and I really don't want much more than that. I think I'm going to take 15 more people, and then the room is shut down. So this is going to, last week I'm going to have visitors. So very simple, guys. Go to greenroom-live.com. Yeah, Roy, you don't want to be jumping in. Exactly. Roy, buy the course. Come hang out with me for a week. Learn a little bit more about it. I have people that have been with me a month that aren't trading yet. They're still learning, and that's okay, right? That's okay. Yeah, you got to go through the course a couple of times, correct. And don't miss your mentoring on Thursday nights. Don't miss your mentoring. So that's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. All right. Now, guys, greenroom-live.com. Write it down in case they can't post it here. Greenroom-live.com. Just hit the Zoom link as soon as you leave here, and you'll be in our private trading room. And I can talk to you guys more when we're in the private trading room because we'll be in there all day. And I can answer your questions about accounts and all that stuff. Okay? There it is. Thank you very much, Aaron. Greenroom-live.com. As soon as we leave, come in, hang out with us, and I'll answer anybody's questions that you have about anything. Greenroom-live.com, Rich. There it is. Perfect. Yeah, so come in anytime you want, boom shakalaka. Starting right now. I see people starting to come in right now. I just had 113 people in the room. Now there's 124. SGOC, let's look at the indication, guys. I'll tell you right now. 26, it's indicated. So right about where it closed. My room is open every day at 8:30, Susan. We start with our morning meeting, Eastern Standard Time, 8:30, EST. We start with our morning meeting at 8:30. We start trading the markets live at 9:30. That's every single day. Every day. Last thing I want to talk to you guys about, and a bunch of people have signed up already, is Benzinga. It isn't just about technical analysis. It isn't just about money management. It's having the right partner for that. And that is Benzinga. It is by far the greatest news service you will ever get. They are on top of it. Sometimes one trade that we get from Benzinga pays for it for a year. Literally. A year. So we get a 2-week free trial with Benzinga, and it's a very reasonable monthly rate, and I couldn't trade without it. I'm just telling you guys. They have scans that you can do that would make you dizzy, but they help with trading. Just spectacular. Except for today when news came out right after we got into a stock. That is correct. We needed them to be out a little earlier. All right, guys, you want to try 23.19 real quick? You can try it. 23.19 and 22 if it goes in that direction. Yes, Larry, this is all Reddit. This stock isn't worth $6, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, Reddit, short squeeze, whatevs. Stocks are worth what people are willing to pay for them, guys and gals. And that's the only thing that matters. There's no rhyme or reason. All right, Mike. Yeah, but the 2-week trial, again, I couldn't trade without Benzinga. To me, it's as important as money management. It's as important as my technical analysis. It really is. So you got 3 good things to look forward to, guys. Get the course at Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Come hang out in my room, which 25 of you just did. We're just from 125 to 150 in the room. Excellent. Purchase the course. I will see you guys on Thursday nights. And for the rest of today, I have no clue. Where are you in? I did the 2-week trial. Now I'm still. All right, you'll get it. I'm in at FOMO price. Where did you buy this thing? Benzinga Pro, Diana, is where you want to be. No, this isn't a short squeeze. This is a meme stock at this point. Yes, Benzinga Pro. There's all sorts of tutorials about how to set it up and get your scans all set up with that also. In the room, guys, I will have somebody go over charts and stuff at some point this week, maybe today. so we can get you guys all set up in that. Anybody who needs help with that. And that's my cue. Can't hear you, Aaron.
Oh, I was muted.
There you go.
The whole time. I'm sorry, David. All right, David. Well, thank you for joining us this morning. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Absolutely, my friend. Hey, today was a good lesson about the risks of the stock market. You know, anything can happen at any time. Unfortunately, we can't predict when a stock is going to stop trading, right? It happens. So having a bad trade in a bad situation doesn't make you a bad trader.
Yeah, that offering kind of came out of nowhere. I was surprised by that.
Yeah, we were too, obviously.
All right, David. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
All right, guys and gals. I'll see a bunch of you guys in the room. And don't forget, Benzinga, gotta have it. Wall Street Global Trading Academy for the course. Thank you, Aaron, for having me here.
Thank you, David. All right. Have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Bye-bye.